If you want to hide your Whop community or preview it as a hidden workspace, this video will walk you through the process step by step. This is really useful if you're setting things up behind the scenes, making edits, or just want to check how your community looks before going live. So if you find this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let's get into it. First, sign into your account at whop.com and make sure you're on your home feed. Once you're in, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Dashboard. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the rocket ship icon. This takes you to the main area where your communities are listed and managed. Next, find your Whop community or business name at the top left of the dashboard and click on it. This will open your community space and load the live setup page for that specific community. If you manage more than one space, just make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. Now that you're inside your community page, look toward the top left corner for the Preview As button. By default, this is usually set to Admin View, which means you're seeing the space from your own management perspective. Click on that button to open the drop-down menu, and from the list of options, select Hidden. Once you choose Hidden, Whop will switch your view to a hidden or draft-style preview, allowing you to see your community the way it appears when it isn't publicly visible. This is a great way to check your setup, review content, and make sure everything looks right before you reveal it to members. It's also helpful if you're testing changes or organizing your community privately before launch. And that's it. You've now learned how to hide your Whop community preview and view it as a hidden workspace. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.